It fuels passions, stokes fury, earns money, sparks politics. TVs get smashed, netas lose support, nations get mocked. It is cricket. It is India versus Pakistan, the biggest rivalry on the pitch and off it.
The most difficult thing for a commander is to lay a wreath on the mortal remains of his buddy for one last time. And I've done it so many times just because of this idiotic nation, Pakistan.
आपका ज़मीर जिंदा क्यों नहीं है कि सूरत से आप पाकिस्तान से क्रिकेट मैच खेलेंगे?
The BCCI is in no position to boycott, especially as a host nation.
देखिए मैं तो इसके खिलाफ हूँ. इंडिया पाकिस्तान मैच होना नहीं चाहिए.
The schedule for the Asia Cup 2025 is out, and in it lies the meat of this round. The India-Pakistan match is scheduled for September 14. Undoubtedly, cricket fans are always looking for this clash, a rematch, always. However, in the backdrop of the recent tensions between the two nations, the Pahalgam terror attack carried out by Pakistan-sponsored terrorists, India's subsequent military retaliation, and the fiery debate in the Indian Parliament, fingers are being pointed at the Indian government's stance. Opinions are divided. The BCCI is facing the heat, and a simple question arises. Remember when Diljit Dosanjh faced flack? His movie Sardarji 3 was not allowed to hit the Indian theatres. Why? Because the movie starred Pakistani actress Hania Amir. Notably, Hania Amir's social media accounts were also banned in India post the Pahalgam horror. Though the movie was filmed before the Pahalgam attack, it could not reach the Indian market. The movie makers decided to release the movie overseas. Reports suggest that the movie was also released in Pakistan. Now, controversy has erupted with the announcement of the Asia Cup schedule. It has sparked nationalism versus economics debate. The fire has even reached the parliament, with Asaduddin Owaisi asking tough questions to the government.
आपका ज़मीर जिंदा क्यों नहीं है कि सूरत से आप पाकिस्तान से क्रिकेट मैच खेलेंगे? जब हम पानी नहीं दे रहे हैं, 80% पानी पाकिस्तान का हम रोक रहे हैं, ये कहकर के पानी और खून नहीं बहेगा, आप क्रिकेट मैच खेलेंगे? मैडम, मेरा ज़मीर तो गवारा नहीं करता कि मैं उस मैच को देखूंगा. क्या इस हुकूमत में इतनी हिम्मत है कि उन 25 मरने वालों को फोन करके कहे कि देखो हमने ऑपरेशन सिंदूर में बदला ले लिया, अब तुम पाकिस्तान का मैच देखो?
Owaisi is one of the MPs who was part of India's Op Sindoor global outreach program. Not just the political leaders, veteran defense personnel are also outraged.
Is it only for the soldiers and the innocent tourists to die for this nation? And rest everyone is interested only in the TRPs and the money? Whose nation is it anyway? It is all very fine to say, it should not happen, but why but? If it should not happen, it should not happen. There are no buts and ifs in this when it comes to national cause, when it comes to national sentiments.
In the cricket world too, there's a clash of opinions. While Dada wants sports to go on, others are not quite as enthusiastic.
Yeah, I'm okay. Sport must go on. At the same time, Pahalgam should not happen, but sports must go on.
So sports going on the same platform, Dada, and what's the terrorism? Also, you said that.
No, terrorism has to stop. Terrorism cannot go on, and I think India had taken a strong stance to terrorism. That's past. Just try and make sure it doesn't happen again. But sports needs to be played.
मैं तो इसके खिलाफ हूँ. इंडिया पाकिस्तान मैच होना नहीं चाहिए, लेकिन प्लेयर्स सामने आके तो मना नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि वो बीसीसीआई के साथ कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड है और बीसीसीआई को सिग्नल ऑब्वियसली गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया की तरफ से मिलती है और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इसके बारे में दोबारा विचार होना चाहिए और इंडिया पाकिस्तान मैच ऐसा माहौल में नहीं होना चाहिए.
The fact is, this debate will never end until the ICC properly and truly falls under Olympic jurisdiction. While India and Pakistan discuss whether to play a cricket game or not, the two nations regularly compete in Olympic sports. Pakistani players travel to India and Indian players travel to Pakistan. It can be squash, hockey, or anything that is not cricket. But why?
Public sentiment, as expected, is divided, with many voices strongly opposing any cricketing ties with Pakistan. However, sources in the BCCI have told me that India will participate in the Asia Cup. including the marquee clash against Pakistan. The key reason is the government of India has already given its nod for the team's participation. It's also important to remember, India is the official host of this edition of the Asia Cup, even though matches will be played in UAE. With 25 member nations under the ACC and 8 teams qualifying for this tournament, the BCCI is in no position to boycott, especially as a host nation. So barring any last-minute political or diplomatic changes, India versus Pakistan in the Asia Cup 2025 is very much on the cards.
How much do you think could a 10-second ad slot cost? Well, when it comes to India versus Pakistan, it can go as high as $48,000. That is almost 42 lakh rupees for just 10 seconds at the T20 World Cup. Cricket is not just a sport in the subcontinent. In India-Pakistan matches, the financial stakes are always high. Advertisers go all gun blazing to secure ad slots in these matches. Even the cricket fans go crazy about this rivalry. In almost all the multilateral cricket tournaments in the last decade, India and Pakistan have been placed in the same group, and reportedly the ticket prices skyrocket. As per reports, in the 2025 India-Pakistan Champions Trophy match, ticket prices ranged from 11,000 rupees to over 2,96,000. And guess what? These tickets were reportedly sold out within an hour. According to FICCI, over the past 20 years, India-Pakistan matches have generated an estimated of rupees 10,000 crore. Notably, the Indian cricket team has not toured Pakistan since 2008 Mumbai terror attacks. Also in the last decade, both nations have played against each other at neutral venues. 2025 Champions Trophy is the latest example. Pakistan hosted the tournament, but India played all of its matches in the UAE. 2012-13 Pakistan Tour of India was the last bilateral series between the two nations. While BCCI is yet to officially respond, reports suggest India has a right to forfeit the game against Pakistan. But this will be a loss for the team. It will reportedly be considered a walkover and Pakistan will get the designated points. But that's not the end of the game, is it?